Storymate software is a website tool and a mobile application as well for creating and posting stories directly to Instagram and Facebook. With the help of this tool, you can easily create interesting stories and posts with attractive ready-made templates to generate more traffic on your social media profiles. Remember, it is not just posting content. Storymate app is about creating stories. People today are more interested in reading and replying to the stories rather than reading simple format posts or content. Today, stories have made a place in our heart, and we are emotionally attached to the word story. We all know stories help us to get easily connected, and which is why my Storymate reviews are positive and genuine, looking at its features and benefits that help in generating huge traffic. How does Storymate works? The Storymate tool is easy to use, and the whole process can be done with 3 easy steps. In 3 simple steps, you'll have stories that outshine just about everyone. Step 1. Select a template. You have 25 designs to choose from. Step 2. Customize your content. Choose your images, upload your own or select from our library. Edit your text, select your background music and click render. Step 3. Post and start converting. Once you have your story ready, simply one-click sync to the Storymate Facebook-approved Android and iPhone apps to post to your FB and Insta stories. Storymate features: cloud-based, 100% cloud-based all-in-one story system to create your content in minutes, 25+ new templates being added to ensure you always are ahead of the game. Facebook-approved Android and iPhone apps included to one-click post, converting templates, 25+ highly converting templates created by the world's best video designers. Fully complaint with FB and Instagram terms of service. Here is what Storymate will do for you. Sell stories as a service to local businesses with our included agency rights. That's right. During launch week only, Storymate allows you to sell that's generated stories to local businesses and you keep 100% of the money. The quality of the renders Storymate provides are that of the top social marketers of the world that would be paying hundreds of dollars per story. Now you can do the same in just a few minutes. Stop using expensive video editing suites. Storymate does it all. No need to spend hours figuring out how to file and edit videos on video editing suites that cost thousands, wasting time, money and energy. With Storymate, everything is done for you in one tool that even my 90-year-old grandmother can work to create the world's highest converting stories in minutes. Storymate provides the automated content. Not sure where to get image or video content for your stories? It provides you all the content needed through royalty-free images and music for all your story needs. Have your users never have to worry about being on camera. Create stories for niche-specific businesses. Create beautiful, high-converting stories in seconds. Send users direct to your website on a mass scale higher than FB or Insta posts. It allows you to ensure your story post appears at the top of Facebook and Instagram feeds. Send customers to your offer site store for free. Increase engagement, branding and conversion. Front-end options. Basic edition. Create stories instantly. 10 renders a month. VIP group included. Light edition. Create stories instantly. 5 renders a month. Luxury edition. Select from the luxury range of templates. Make beautiful converting stories in seconds. Includes full royalty-free image and music library. iPhone and Android Storymate apps also included. Includes full agency rights. VIP group included. All fast action bonuses include